Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get everything for completely free in Casa. No need to buy me a coffee, no need to do anything. You'll be getting everything for free, and also how to bypass phone number verification. So stick with me to the end of this video. Now the first thing you need to do is to have a Brave browser. This is it. I'm using Brave browser. The second thing you need to do is to turn off all VPN connected to your system. I don't have any VPN connected. Now head over to Casa AI. This is the Casa. I'm just going to log out. This is an account I just created. So click on sign up. Then click on sign up here. Here I'm going to type in Alexandra. Okay, then head over to the first website, click on random new, then you copy it, then you paste it here, and you click on continue, verify human. So here you have to put a password. When you put a password, right, it's going to bypass the long process. So put a password. I'm just going to put a password here and continue. Then I'm going to click human. So this is going to load. They are going to send an OTP to the password. Click on refresh. You'll see it received here. So copy and you paste it here. So this is going to load and bypass the phone number verification. As you can see, it's no longer showing phone number verification. Then click on continue with free trial. So over here you can see the VPN is not turned on. Next you're going to click on card. Now click here and select United States. Good. Now when you select United States, head over to the second website. So this is the second website. In here we're going to paste the bin. So I'm just going to copy and paste the bin. So I just pasted the bin. I'm just going to run it and copy any details. Head back to the Casa AI and paste it there. Good. Now for the year, head back. It's 2027 10th. Okay, so then 27 337. So here I'm just going to put Alexandra Jones. The address I'm going to put, let me put this one, put this. Good. Here I'm just going to select this and click on continue, start free trial. So this is going to start the free trial. Click on I'm human. You can see it has successfully done. So all the cards generated here. Continue. You can see this is the 7 days pro trial success. Now all the cards generated here will be in the link in the description. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it so you can use any of them. Alright, so thank you so much for this particular video. You'll be getting all the links in the description, so stick to the end. And we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and turn on your notification icon just in case I upload a new update about Casa. Thank you.